welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to remove unused data from Docker. Okay, but first, if this is your first time in the channel, I'll invite you to take a look at the channel's playlist, where you will find a lot of free tutorials for Jenkins, Docker, AWS, Terraform, Ansible, SonarQube, Security, Bash, and more. Okay, what happens if you have been using your system for a lot of time and you are pulling Docker images, you are starting containers, you are creating volumes, you may find some unused data there that is consuming resources. For instance, Docker images, Docker volume, ls, I have volumes here, or dead containers. So for cleaning up this, I'm going to use Docker system prompt with the option A, and as you can see, it will remove stopped containers, volumes, networks, images without at least one container associated to them. So I'm going to clean up my system and see what is left. Okay. As you can see, also over 1 GB was released. That's cool. So if I go to Docker images, oh, but Docker images, I have now one image there. If I do a Docker psqa, I have only one because I have only one container running. And also, if I do a Docker volume less, I have nothing because that volume was empty. And now my system is clean. You can do the same in your production system and also in your lower environments. Okay, this is all for this video. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.